If you want to monitor your credit score for free, you've probably heard of CreditWise by Capital One, but most people get this wrong. They assume you need a Capital One account to use it. The truth is, CreditWise is completely free for everyone, regardless of which bank you use. Here's how it works. CreditWise provides your Vantage Score 3.0 credit score updated weekly along with a detailed breakdown of factors affecting your credit, including payment history, credit utilization, and account age. It also monitors your TransUnion credit report for signs of changes or potential fraud. You'll get alerts if there are new inquiries, changes to balances, or new accounts opened in your name. One feature I love is the Credit Score Simulator. You can see how different actions like paying off a credit card or taking out a loan might impact your score. This is invaluable for planning major purchases like a car or home. Another plus is the identity alerts. If someone attempts to open an account in your name, you'll be notified immediately, helping you prevent fraud before it becomes a bigger problem. The downside is that CreditWise only shows your Vantage score from TransUnion, not your FICO score, which some lenders use. Also, while the alerts are helpful, they don't provide full identity theft protection, so for comprehensive security, you might need a separate service. In conclusion, CreditWise is an excellent free tool for monitoring your credit, learning how your actions affect your score, and catching potential fraud early. Whether you're building credit or keeping an eye on your score, it's worth using. If this review helped you, subscribe for more honest insights on financial tools that help you stay in control of your money.